Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to bypass Google verification on Samsung Galaxy Tab A6. Okay, so as you can see, we are doing the setup process. We have the Google verification and we don't remember the email or the phone number, and it's impossible to skip it. Now let me show you what to do. First, let's go back to the main page on our tab. And in the meantime, we gotta download a few things on our computer because we need to have it during the whole process. Visit our page, HardReset.info. You can see the link right in here. And now in this search bar type Galaxy A6. You can select the phone, it doesn't matter. Simply select Galaxy A6. Go to bypass Google verification. Then click. And in here, click on the sentence that has the highest amount of Android versions. It's this one from 8 to 13. Click on that, and in here we gotta download the Samsung drivers. Simply click on that and hit the download button. In my case, I have already downloaded it, so I'm not going to do it again. Then we have the FRP bypass tool, but before you tap on that, we gotta turn off our antivirus because almost every app is recognized by the antivirus as a threat, so that is why for now we gotta turn it off. Don't worry, it's not a harmful app or anything like that. It's simply necessary to do it. Of course, after the whole process, you can turn on your antivirus back. Okay, I'm using the Windows Defender, so I gotta go to Virus and Threat Protection Settings, then Manage, and for now I gotta turn off the real-time protection. Then I can click on that to download. And now go to download, and in here we also gotta type ADB and select mini ADB and fastboot drivers and also hit the download button. Okay, I have downloaded it twice, that's my bad. So now we gotta go to download section, and in here we have our Samsung drivers, our FRP bypass tool, and the ADB drivers. Let me only delete the things that has been downloaded twice. Okay, and now we gotta extract all three files. So right click, WinRAR, extract to. I'm using the WinRAR. If you don't have it, you can right click, then extract all and extract, and it will also fully work. And now the bypass tool, unpack, and ADB drivers, unpack. Okay, let's begin with the Samsung drivers. Let's launch the folder, and we gotta double click to start the installation. In my case, it says that it's already installed, but I can repeat the installation. Okay, it has appeared on our bar. In here, simply click on Next, Next, and Install. Okay, now we gotta keep waiting because it's going to take a little bit. But in the meantime, we can install, for example, our bypass tool. Or actually, let's begin with the ADB drivers first. Double click, and in here, begin with ADB setup. Press Y on your keyboard, enter, Y, enter, Y, enter, Y, and enter. Okay, then Android ADB fastboot. Next. In my case, it's already installed, so I'll just select repair. If you're installing it for the first time, you won't have that. You'll have a simple installation. But it's the same case. All you gotta do is to click on next, 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 and it will be done. And then universal ADB driver setup. I'll also select repair, then finish. And we have our ADB drivers installed. Okay, now we gotta keep waiting for our Samsung drivers, but let's go with FRP bypass tool, double click and launch the exe file. Click on next, next, and install. For now we can unselect to launch the FRP tool, then finish. And now let's keep waiting until our Samsung drivers are installed. Okay, it has installed, so now let's click on finish. Also, if you're installing the Samsung drivers for the first time, I highly recommend to restart the computer after the first installation, so thanks to that everything will work properly. Okay, everything has installed, and now we gotta launch our FRP tool. Okay, now on the main page, on the first page on our tab, we gotta click on emergency call, and now type *#0 *#. Now we are in the test mode. I know that's really bright, but it's impossible to change the brightness. And now we need to connect our tab to our computer using the micro USB cable. I highly recommend to use the original one if you have it. If you don't have the original one, you can of course use a different good quality micro USB cable. So now connect your tab to your computer. As you take a look in FRP tool app, our tab has appeared as a Samsung USB modem, and it's really important that you need to see those numbers. In here, click on OK on your tab, and in our FRP tool app, you gotta select the Samsung right in here on the top left corner, and now select Remove FRP Security older than August 2022. Click on that, the whole process will begin. Now we gotta keep waiting. Okay, select that you already opened the test mode. Now select Always Allow from this computer on your tab, and then click on OK. Okay, don't do anything, keep waiting because the process is not yet finished. Okay, it says that removing is okay. Basically, that's all that we had to do. Now we can unplug the cable. Now our Samsung will turn on. But after that, it will be already ready to use. But it's good to perform one more reset, but this time through the settings. So after this reset through the settings, you won't have any Google verifications anymore. So let me show you how to do it. As you can see, our device is unlocked. It's ready to use. And now we gotta launch the settings to perform that one last reset. But even now, I should go to Cloud and Accounts, and then Accounts. You can see that there's no Google accounts anymore. But let's perform that reset. Go to General Management, and then select Reset, and then Factory Data Reset, and then you gotta confirm by clicking the button. And after this reset, you won't have any Google verifications anymore. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.